Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to reduce PDF file size in mobile. First of all, locate the PDF file you want to reduce the size of. After that, open your file manager and select the target PDF file. Here you can see that the size of this PDF file is 7.27. Now open up your preferred browser, search for pdfcompressor.com, and you will be redirected to this page. Here, tap on Upload button and upload the target PDF file. It will then take time to upload. After it's done uploading, the website will start compressing this PDF file. Now, click on Download and your file will be downloaded. After that, open the File Manager again and go to the Download section. Here, look for that PDF file you just downloaded, and you can see that the file size has been reduced. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.